Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make vegan marshmallows at home. We'll begin by dissolving 2 tablespoons of agar-agar powder in 1 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then simmer for 5 minutes. This incredible plant-based ingredient is crucial, as it perfectly replaces traditional gelatin, giving our marshmallows that wonderful, bouncy texture. Next, let's create our sweet syrup base. In a saucepan, combine 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar with 1 cup of light corn syrup. Then, add 1/2 cup of water to this mixture. Gently heat it over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. It is vital to bring this syrup to precisely 240 degrees Fahrenheit for the perfect marshmallow consistency. Now for the magic. Once your agar-agar mixture has cooled slightly, whip it vigorously in a stand mixer until it becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. With the mixer still running, slowly and carefully pour the hot sugar syrup into the whipped agar-agar. Continue whipping for a good 10 to 15 minutes until you achieve beautiful, stiff, glossy peaks. This step builds the airy structure of your marshmallows. Finally, let's finish our delicious vegan marshmallows. Carefully pour the thick, whipped mixture into a lightly oiled and dusted 9 by 13-inch pan. Allow it to set undisturbed at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight. Once completely firm, cut them into delightful 1-inch squares. Then, dust each marshmallow generously with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch to prevent sticking. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.